Okay. That was cute. Ow! I'm sorry, my baby. Daddy's sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
He bought this like a couple days ago, and I don't know what's happening to Coke's pants, but he's naked now. I wonder, like, at night he gets angry and he rips his own. He's like, oh, I can't take this kids no more. Buenas.
Half a day.
Woo! So today, they're gonna try an MRE for the first time. But before then, we're just gonna do a brief summary on how the MRE came to be, and yeah.
The meal ready to eat, commonly known as the MRE, is a self-contained individual field ration in
Ration.
You is smart. You is important.
The meal ready to eat, commonly known as the MRE, is a self-contained individual field ration in a lightweight packaging brought by the U.S. Department of Defense for its service members for use in combat or other field conditions where organized food facilities are not available.
You is smart. You is important.
While MREs should be kept cool, they do not need to be refrigerated. MREs replaced the canned MCI or meal combat individual rations in 1981 and is the intended successor to the lighter LRP ration developed by the United States Army for Special Forces and Ranger Patrol units in Vietnam. MREs have also been distributed to civilians during natural disasters.
You is smart. You is important.
Yummy. Yay!
Alright, so that's basically what an MRE is. They usually come in these brown packaging. They have different types of MREs. From what I know, they do come in vegetarian. They come in all different kinds. Like this one, for example, is pork sausage patty. I know there's like cheese tortellini. I know they got a chicken alfredo, something like that. They got different types. So what we got here is the pork sausage patty, maple flavored. Alright, so we're just gonna start by opening it. Yeah, you usually open it from the top, and once you open it, you get something like this. It basically has everything that you're gonna eat and use to eat. Alright, so first thing we got is, this is gonna be the actual pork sausage patty. This is how it's packaged. This serves as like, so when you make your food hot, when you make the food hot, you put it in here so it doesn't burn your hands or whatever. And then we have here just your basic, like, you got wet naps, you got sugar, gum, and matches. We'll open that later. That's what we got. So usually a MRE will come with an entree, dessert, some snacks, and utensils. So for the dessert kind of snack, we got the maple muffin top. We got smoked almonds.
Oh wow.
We got peanut butter. We got crackers for the peanut butter. And we got a lemon lime drink mix, table syrup. Then we got the utensil here. So we got the heater. And so basically the heater is
flameless ration heater, FRH, a water activated exothermic reaction product that emits heat, allowed a service member in the field to enjoy a hot meal.
You is smart. You is important.
We have the entree here. We're gonna heat it up. Sometimes, like when you're out in the field or whatever, like if you don't even have time sometimes to eat. So sometimes people just eat it cold. But we'll just show this how this works. So they have directions on what to do, but basically you just put water and then put whatever you want to heat, because it's like a so once the water touches like this chemical thing here, it basically heats the water up. So it has a line where you want to put the water, so you don't want to overfill it, so you just put it on a certain amount.
Yeah.
So we put this about this much water.
Oh, that's so cool! And then you put this.
Hold that. Hold this.
Oh, there. It's getting hot.
Yeah, you actually can see the
The smoke. That looks so
steam.
crazy.
It's pretty cool. I freaked out when I first did this. So we'll just let that heat up. This is really salty.
It is?
But man, like
When you're hungry, it
when you're hungry, you don't care. It's really salty. That's pretty good though.
It tastes it's good. Not salty. It's good.
It is a bit salty. Now we're gonna try crackers. With the cracker, we're gonna have some peanut butter with it.
You want me to get the spoon out?
I'm not really gonna have much. I'm just gonna. It's like peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
Oh, it's so cute. I never really liked, like, you know me, right? I don't like peanut butter.
Yeah.
But when I went to basic, peanut butter was like life. Like everybody.
A comfort food.
everybody like loved peanut butter. Like it was, I don't know, it was like our candy.
Well, it's a very popular comfort food, peanut butter and jelly, right?
I don't know. But now I don't really care for it. Like I said, when you're hungry, you're hungry. You don't really care. Now we're gonna try the lemon lime drink mix beverage. It's pretty much basically what it is. It's just a drink mix, but for recording purposes, we'll go ahead and give it a try.
So right here we got a bottled water.
Duh.
I think they know what's a bottle of water. So this is a bottle of water. Right here, what we got is a bottle of water.
Got it.
More of a lemonade.
It tastes like the green Gatorade, that lime.
I was gonna say that, but it tastes more like lemonade.
No, it tastes exactly like it.
So now we're gonna try the entree, the patty. Man, this thing is more than heated up right now. It's really hot. So this is what's in the entree. It's just basically a patty. So this is the patty. What do you think? What does it taste like?
I don't know why the texture reminds me of something.
It's actually not that bad. It's actually
good.
pretty good. I like
But
it.
the texture just goes it.
I actually like it. It's really good.
Okay, you know the meatballs and the okay, this is gonna sound weird. The meatballs and the Campbell's meatballs, spaghettios, taste like the texture's like that.
Okay.
It's not bad. It's pretty good. You finished it?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So now we're gonna have the I guess the dessert. This is what it is. Comes with this little thing here. I'm just kidding. You want to take that out. You definitely do not want to eat it.
It says do not.
It says do not eat. So definitely do not want to eat it. So this is what the syrup is for. It's for the dessert. Already added the syrup to it, and then now we're just gonna go ahead and give it a try. Honestly, I don't know if I ever had this. I don't know if I ever had this, but if I ever did, I don't think I ever used syrup. It's just too messy.
Imagine how annoying that would be. Is it sticky? Let me try. I'm breaking apart. This reminds me of the Filipino it's a dessert. Good.
That's okay. I mean, of course, like right now I don't care much for it, because like I said, when you're in the field, you'll eat anything. But right now we're not in basic, we're not in the field, so I'm not gonna finish that. It's just too sweet. We're gonna go through this package here. Salt. Matches. Coffee. Cream. Napkins. A moist towelette. Sugar. Gum. That's pretty much it for what's in that bag. Let's try the gum. So for that, MRE alone was like over like 1,200 calories. MREs are designed to like last you for a long time, because basically it's kind of like a meal for the whole day. It's made for like when you go on the field and
for the whole day, like one day.
Yeah.
That one MRE is for the whole day.
It's designed for like to last you the whole day.
That's crazy. I can't handle that.
It's like when you're in the field and food is scarce. So this was our video for today. It's a mukbang.
A mukbang.
Mukbang.
It's a mukbang.
Mukbang.
Mukbang. Hello.
Some of the stuff actually comes with like Skittles, M&Ms.
That's cool.
People used to sell like the Skittles and M&Ms for like 10 bucks.
Are you serious?
And people used to actually buy it. Crazy, huh?
That's too much though. 10 bucks on me. I mean, if you're hungry, yeah, I understand that you're desperate.
One time I was desperate. I was gonna buy one.
But you're like, wait,
but I thought about it, like, yo, I am not gonna spend 10 bucks for M&Ms that cost $1 some. The best MRE to me is the chicken pesto. To me, that's the best entree. It may not have the best like snacks or dessert or like candy, but yeah, I don't really care for like the snacks or candy. I care for the entree. Like if I got the vegetarian, I'll be so mad because it.
What is the vegetarian?
It's like a vegetarian, like it's like taco. It's just vegetables. But it was good though, but it wasn't filling. They also come with like these milkshakes. Oh my god. Yeah,
so
like
you put it in this thing and you shake it.
No, the milkshake comes in its own package.
Okay.
You put water, you just shake it up. Oh my god.
It's good?
So good.
Like vanilla, chocolate.
Like vanilla, chocolate, swirl. You can find MREs like in the commissary, or I'm not too sure where else, but in commissary, where the commissary we go to, it was about what, $7 bucks? 7 some? Not bad for a meal that's supposed to last you the whole day.
Yeah.
Do you think you'd be able to eat like MREs for a whole week?
I think I can do it.
Honestly, it's not that bad. People say it messes up your digestive system and makes you like, I don't know, but it never like, people say it messes up with the shits. I'll actually trade my candy, like my M&Ms or like Skittles
for that.
For like food. Cause I rather much have food than candy.
Obviously.
Yeah. But people like love the candy. So if I were to rate it, I would do like the chicken pesto, and then the tuna chunks and the chicken chunks. Because the one thing too that would be the best would be like getting like the protein bars. If you get a protein bar, oh my god,
it's like a Christmas present. It's like, ooh, here's yours. Ooh, I got this.
So that's it for the vlog today. That's it.
That's it.
For those who care, stay tuned for the next vlogs, which is most likely my brother, my sister, my mom, my dad, my dog. Love and miss you guys. If you're watching this, thanks for watching. Bye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. So today,
Nani, relax.
Keep it together. Keep it together, keep it together, keep it together, keep it together, keep it together.
alright,
Unique New York. Unique New York. Unique New York.
What is wrong with you people?
Oh my god.
You're so tan, honestly.